girls in Vegas and it's finna go down. I really didn't record me getting ready for it because I feel as though I got a lot of nail vlogs on my channel, you know what I'm saying, like whatever. But eyebrows waxed and tinted, hair is braided in knotless braids. I got my nails done, you feel me? Look at my nails. Focus. Focus, focus, focus. Okay, whatever. My nails is done. Wax. My arms is wax. Toes done. Your girl ready. So yeah, we finna be in Vegas, y'all, for the whole little weekend. I can't wait. Baby got us like a nice little rental car. I'm with my baby. He finna go in the gas station so we can get some snacks. Gonna go in the gas station so we can get some snacks. But yeah, y'all, look at my rental. Period. Okay. Okay, babe. I ain't never seen no thing like this. You feel me? I mean, it's a little dirty. This ain't no car, but it's a rental. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay. Period. Whatever, Vegas with it. Period. Y'all, we finna get some things from the gas station, like some snacks and stuff for the room. And then we'll be headed to the room. So I'll see y'all when we get in the room. So guys, we walk in. Here's a closet. Oh no, this is the washer and dryer. Nice bathroom. Hi girl. It's nice. Okay. Nice little setup. Nice little closet. So when you walk in, this is a door to the other room. I bad boy locked that bad boy that time. So our little bedroom. Nice. A little mirror. Nice. Our view. Yeah. You know that, you know. We'll see how I look in the morning, but right now it ain't all that. Another closet. Safe, you know. We come out the room, you got like a little kitchenette. Say hey baby.
What's up, y'all?
He still got his mask on.
Yeah, I know, right, man? I've been having
Nice
on
little
all day.
kitchenette.
I'm used to it now.
Refrigerator, sitting area, TV, couch, nice little something. View still horrible. But it's nice, you know. For the weekend, you know, we're gonna be here. Period. It's going down. Send it down, y'all. Stay tuned. And they trying to get a bottle.
I'm excited. This is dope. God is good.
They trying to get a bottle. 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 Alright, y'all. I'm finna see what we finna do. We just got in the room. We probably finna freshen it up. Probably get a bottle. Go get some food, maybe. I don't know. And I'll catch y'all. So I didn't even peep the little cabinets got stuff in them. Like, you feel me? If I really want to cook some shit, I can cook some shit. Period. We got all type of stuff up in here. Toaster, toast your bread, blender. Okay, come on now, Wyndham. Ain't got no drinks in here, do they? We got a pitcher though. No drinks. Pots. Oh, we even got silverware. Ooh, pizza. Nothing. It's a little refrigerator.
It's a dishwasher, girl.
Ah! Dang, we ain't got no refrigerator. Oh, damn.
Right there.
Like tweak.
The dishwasher.
I ain't opening that shit.
Garbage disposal?
Yep. And this little sink, coffee maker. I don't know how to open this shit.
There's a surprise in there for you. Might have called him.
Nope.
Told him to leave something in the dishwasher.
We here.
God is good, y'all.
We bummy right now, y'all, but it don't matter. We like our flight.
I definitely flew like I'm gonna be like a bum all weekend, to be honest with y'all. All I packed was wife beaters and basketball shorts. That's it, because it's gonna be
105. I don't blame
9
you.
degrees out here.
And we ain't really got much, like, you know what I'm saying, it's Vegas, so whatever.
And it's quarantine.
Yeah,
Still,
we still got our masks
you know,
on.
still gotta be
I
safe.
stole these
man.
masks for my job, y'all.
Still gotta use your hand sanitizer.
Yep, we got it over
It's
there.
kind of scary. I was kind of, I mean, it's cool, you know. It's just everyday stuff now, but it's kind of weird, like traveling under these conditions, you know. Everything's closed. The airport's not the same.
Yeah, it was
It's
like
not the same.
when we was walking through the airport, it was like
It's
dead.
weird.
I told Ben like, man, it's like
It's
just
weird.
dead. Like,
and then it's like, I understand that it's a Wednesday night, but like the strip is normally cracking. Like,
but then again, like you said, it's a Wednesday night.
So you know it's not the weekend.
It's 105 temperature today as of tonight. I think it's at like 78. I can't remember. And then
But when we came in July last time, it was cracking.
I didn't come with you last time.
I know you didn't. I'm finna say we was here a whole week, I think. But yeah.
And then it's COVID, coronavirus.
Yeah. So.
But I had some friends that was like last week, and they said it was cracking like on the weekend, like how I usually be.
Okay.
But like the clubs, well, I don't want to go to the clubs. I don't really like the clubs anymore. Whatever.
I mean, it's whatever. I doubt if there's any clubs open. I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe you can reserve. Oh, we gotta reserve the swimming pool.
We can do that right now because I want to go swimming.
I reserved. I think, I don't know if it's tomorrow
Y'all see my eyebrows?
or Saturday.
I feel like my eyebrows are like birds' wings flying off.
It was crazy.
But yeah, y'all, we finna get to it. I want to try that tequila drink. I've been telling Bae the whole trip. I want to get that tequila drink. Hopefully, we can find a liquor store that got it.
Okay.
I heard you don't need no chaser though. Like I heard it's so smooth you don't need no chaser.
We can get it. We have to drink it all before we leave. But we have
We
time.
gonna drink that shit. We got till Sunday. It's Wednesday, y'all. We stay till Sunday. So 4 days.
Go ahead. I washed my hair cut off, y'all. My barber went in on me. Boy, he hooked me up.
He
Had me
did.
looking
My baby
boy,
came home
fresh.
looking handsome. I said,
And
okay.
he hit me with that little doo-wop, the bop, bop.
Do-wop, the
Had
bop,
me
bop.
fresh. I'm
Do-wop, bop, bop, bop.
Boy, I gotta go home and wash it off.
This
bro.
room remind me of when we went to Colorado. It just Colorado was a little bit more spacious. Yeah.
It kind of was. It was a different layout.
Yeah.
This is more of a.
This the same company though, ain't it?
No, we was at that was Hyatt.
Oh, okay.
That was Hyatt House. Was it Hyatt House?
Right. I thought it was Regency.
No, it was House. I think it was Hyatt House.
Anyway.
Yeah, because it was just like this.
Yeah.
Full kitchen, everything.
I don't know. It's like we be staying luxury sometimes. But every time we come to Vegas,
Blessings,
we
though.
stay somewhere different.
It'd be
Like
this was
our-
a whole blessing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
it
was a
was
blessing.
though. Every time I come, this is my 4th time coming.
5th time.
For real?
Yes, baby. You went. Okay, wait. We came together
First time,
with with my school people.
right?
Then you came with Lazaric. We
Okay.
came with Elise and Lazaric.
Okay.
Oh, this your 4th time. This my 5th time. Okay.
So what, Lane?
Yeah.
This is my 4th time.
Yeah, we came together one time, and I came with my girls for her birthday. It was cold as shit. We were so irritated. And then we came again with my sister-in-law and her guy. And then
So did I skip a year, or I came every year so far?
you skipped no, you came every year so far. Since we've been dating.
I'm gonna have to keep that going.
No. We gotta like go like Jamaica, like
I know.
Cancun. Like
I
we
know.
gotta like explore, you know what I'm saying? Like fucking passport vibes. We gotta get that vibe together.
Yeah.
Child, we finna see what we finna do. Hang
Yeah,
out with
that's
our
an 8
peoples.
though.
We gotta meet up with our peoples that's out here too. And we was just talking. We sorry y'all, whatever.
Yeah, we was
but we
playing
finna get us something to drink, maybe something to eat real quick, and we'll catch y'all in the next clip. Peace out.
Deuces.
Good morning, Vegas. Now what's up, girls? What it do? Today is day 2. Well, really, our official first day. So right now I'm getting ready, and I already got my shirt and my clothes. I'm just gonna lay my edges down, flip my braids over, find out what we finna do. We've been here multiple times. So we really just gonna be showing our cousins around and showing them different stuff that we did in the past when we came. And you know what I'm saying? Last night when we got here, we really didn't do nothing. We just went to the liquor store, got a little bottle. We got some Hypnotic and Hennessy because I've never had that combo before and I really want to try it. So I tried it and your girl was lit. If I remember, I'm gonna put some clips in from last night. We really didn't do nothing. We just kind of like chilled, sat in the house. You could tell it's a lot different with the coronavirus. Like, usually when I come to Vegas, well, I've never been on a Wednesday, so, you know, I've always came like on a Friday, you know what I'm saying? So, I always know Vegas to be lit, but, like, all night. But last night when we got here, it was like super freaking dead, guys. Like, super dead. I've never been here when it's dead like this, but hey, you know, coronavirus. She came in, she's showing out, honey. She's showing her ass this year. But I'm still gonna make the best of my trip. You know what I'm saying? Still kind of like hang out a little bit. I don't know what we doing today. I think today we supposed to be going to this restaurant I had looked up. I'm all about, I like when I go somewhere, I like to have my stuff that we finna do together. I don't like to be, what we doing today? Oh, well, I don't know. I don't like that. But I'm finna start planning some stuff because I don't like that vibe. Waking up and we don't know what we doing, you know? So, your girl finna be getting some stuff together today. But I did find this place. It's called, I don't even have my phone. I think House of Go-Go or something. I don't know, it's in a link, but I told Bear I wanted to go there, so we probably go there, get some breakfast. It's a breakfast spot, a little brunch spot. So I don't know, you know, you feel me? That lady's edges down there. Y'all know I don't know how to really do edges, and I got my braids done too quick. My hair is super soft, so it's like they showing their true colors right now. I don't know what to do, and I don't know what I'm finna do with it, but y'all can't see it, but it's like, see, like peach fuzzy, and your girl going through it, okay? I like my hair to be fresh, but I just got my hair done too early, and then my hair is soft, so this knotless braids is clearly not for me. You feel me? But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna get ready, you know, litty today. I know we was talking about doing a helicopter ride now. I don't know, I ain't never did that. So I'm kind of, you feel me, like, I don't know about that one, but knowing me, I'm probably gonna do it, you feel me? I'm probably gonna do it. My boyfriend ain't gonna let me not do nothing. He's a thrill. Like the first year we came together, he jumped off the stratosphere. I didn't do it though, cause I ain't no daredevil. Well, I wasn't, yeah. But now your girl might even just do it this time. I don't know. And since my edges weren't holding yesterday, I don't know what it was. I'm gonna spray this stuff on there. I can get these things laid. I heard it's supposed to be like 105 today, so that's hot. That's real hot. It's extremely hot. Get litty, get litty, get litty, get litty. And we got like a pool. I don't even know where it's at. They told me they got 3 pools where we at. So I know we gotta reserve it though. Ever since the coronavirus, they said you have to reserve it. And it's only 2 people at a time in the pool. So hopefully we get in it later on this week. because I want to get in the pool. And yeah, I don't want to be hot all the time. Hopefully these edges lay, because yesterday they weren't laying right, and I don't know what the problem was. It's time to get litty. I think I'm wearing my braids on this side. I'm rolling. And my mask on deck. Shout out to my mama. I'm trying to tell you, I got a mask for every outfit I brought. Girl, I got sunglasses. Look at all this. I got these yellow sunglasses to go with my yellow outfit. Got these from Fashion Nova too. This probably ain't gonna match, but whatever. I got the polka dot. I got a leopard and I got a polka dot one from I wear black and white, or if I want to wear my leopard outfit, I don't know yet. I just brought outfits, y'all. And then these some sunshades I got from my friend Boutique. If I remember her name, or if I can find her name on Instagram, I'll make sure I drop them down below. I might want to wear these today. These my showstoppers, y'all. Like these, period. And I have bought these to wear with this outfit because they orange, but I feel like that'd be doing too much. So I think I'm gonna wear these. Because I got the orange mask, you know what I'm saying? That's doing enough. I ain't gonna overdo it. And it's chill vibes. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, like I said, like, I don't know how it's gonna be today because we did get in late last night. But the strip was like dead. I'm used to that bitch being packed. So it was like so different to me. Yeah, we finna get litty. Finna get another bottle. Oh my god, my hair is, look at my hair, all this peach fuzz. But that's because my hair's soft and I got knotless. So I can't be mad, whatever. My mama blessed me with some good ass hair. My mama blessed me with some good ass hair. Ayy. Poetic Justice. Ayy. I didn't know that shirt said that. This shirt is from Fashion Nova, y'all. My biker shorts, I think these from like Rainbow or something. I don't even fucking know. I've had them for quite some time. Did I put up the deodorant? Yes, I did. Okay, y'all, so I'm kind of like done getting ready. I'm just waiting on Bae to come back. He went to the gym. So I'm just waiting on him to come back. But make sure y'all follow our YouTube channel. We definitely vlogging on our channel. So if you hear me say hey guys or whatever, we vlog on the same camera for 2 different channels. So bear with us. But we finna get it together. I'm kind of done getting ready. I'll show y'all my outfit or whatever. And I'm litty. I need some lip gloss. Honey. But these edges gonna be being laid till we walk out this door. Period. Okay? Alright, so this is the outfit. I still got my edges laid. I don't care. Got my little Tupac shirt on, my little biker shorts. And I just paired it with these little sandals that I got from Fashion Nova. And I'm gonna pair it with this little purse. I can either wear it like this or with the strap. And I got my little mask, and your girl is ready to go. You feel me? Day 2 in Vegas. I'm so excited, y'all. I feel cute. Okay, let's get into it. Period. But yeah, we finna walk out. I'll see y'all when we get there. Let go. Look at my baby. Showing all them muscles.
You know me, slumming and bumming, baby.
All them muscles. It's hot, baby.
Slumming and bumming.
You look nice though. I like it in the shoes.
Slumming and bumming.
We finna get to it, day 2. I don't know what we doing today. We just out here. I'm hungry. And y'all know how females get when they hungry.
Baby is having a fit. She is busting.
There you go. Quarantine vibes. You gotta have your mask everywhere you go.
Gotta have your mask on.
But it's been decent though.
Yeah. You can definitely tell something's going on though.
Yeah.
It's not busting.
It's not busting like it used to be like. But we always come like tonight, like a Thursday night though. So y'all, we got these drinks. No, I don't need it.
How much is a shot?
Top shelf 5, bottom shelf 3.
Can I have two top shelves?
Yep, whatever you want.
2 in this one and 2 in that one. Which one you want, baby?
What you getting? What is it? Which one is it?
Top shelf 5, bottom shelf 3.
Did he say, how many say?
He said 2 top shelves each.
2 top shelves.
We have like Patron, Dawn, Penny, Say, Grey Goose.
Let me do the Patron lime. Let me do that. So yeah, we finna get some shots in them. Baby, get some shots in them.
For him too.
Pour it up, sis. Pour it up. Ooh.
Alright, you ready?
Woo.
Just give yourself a little sip before I put your lid on. What flavor would you like?
What did she get?
She did Patron.
She got Patron? Sure.
She did lime flavor. Is that okay? Or
Yeah, that's fine.
that's what she did, the lime.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yep. And that's hard. I mean, that's hard alcohol, right? Okay.
Yes, solid.
Ooh.
Where you guys from?
Chicago.
Oh, okay.
So guys, we at this restaurant. Look at our food. Chicken and waffles. Baby, what you get?
And hot sauce?
Um,
Okay, yeah.
avocado, eggs, bacon, and there's something else in there. I forgot.
Oh, okay. He don't know what he got, but it's chicken and waffles. We finna go down. The fam. It's litty. Okay, guys. So we back in the room. We decided we finna go to a water park. Of course, I'm not gonna bring the camera. I'll probably vlog on my phone just so y'all can get a little content of the water park. But you know, I ain't trying to have no water damage. But yeah, we finna go to a water park. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get back to the room. Guys, we are back from the water park. We are headed out for the night. Outfits. Cute, you know. Baby already in the car. Hello. We finna head out tonight, y'all. I don't know what we finna do, but I just got cute for the hell of it. Why not? You know what I'm saying? And we finna see what the night brings us. I don't even know what we got planned. Okay, why is the elevator move? Okay. We had a lot of fun at the water park, y'all. It was so much fun. Tune in to me and Bae channel for that content. But right now, I'm gonna go meet up with Bae. I don't know where he at. I think he in the car. Hopefully he in the car. I got my drink, so if we go on the strip. So we could get litty. Get litty and knowing it's hot. Whatever the fuck the lyrics is. I don't even know the lyrics half the time. I'm one of the people that Snapchat and I know the lyrics. Yeah, that's me. But I'm just saying. But it's gonna be on our way. I hope he out here. I don't even know where he parked at. Let's see. So yeah, we finna get litty tonight. I changed my whole wardrobe. I was gonna put on what I had on earlier, but I'm like, why not? I packed it, you know? Why not get cute? He ain't looking at his surroundings. So guys, we are here waiting to get on the helicopter ride that we had set up. And I'm so excited. We're gonna do this. Never did this before, but something new. Why not?
Cranberry.
What's up,
Tito's
man?
a cranberry with
How y'all feeling?
what's called? Are you feeling us or?
No.
No, I was about to say, man. Don't just.
No.
No.
Let's go on this helicopter ride.
It's gonna go down.
Get some champagne right now. Gonna get litty.
Talking about all you could drink. I walked over
He
there.
just told me, he's like, babe, but he was like, you can come right back if you want to.
Yeah.
Just drink it on up.
Look, he was like, I walked over there. He was like, how many you want? 3? I'm like, it's like that? He was like, oh, it's like that. Say no more.
You probably paid for it.
It's number 2.
It's number 2 for me.
I'm at least have 3 or 4 before I get out this month. Before I go do what we're finna go do.
How you feel about it, babe? How you think it's gonna be?
Huh?
How you think it's gonna be?
It's gonna be fun. I'm kind of, me neither.
I'm scared.
I'm scared. I'm not scared.
No, I'm scared.
I'm kind of like, you know,
I'm scared.
on the edge because I ain't never did it before.
Guys, so me and Bae just did the helicopter ride. We just shed a tear together. I ain't gonna lie. I got a little teary eyed.
Yeah, they always.
Cause just be like, babe, I never had nobody. I'm not even gonna do it because I'm finna cry again. But that was just dope. I had a lot of fun.
Definitely was.
We gotta do it again in the daytime. It was just hot as hell up there. I ain't gonna lie.
I wasn't hot. I was sitting right in front of the AC.
I wasn't, so it was a little lit for me.
Okay.
But all right, y'all, we finna get on this. Little Ferris wheel. Where we go? This way? We finna go on the Ferris wheel, y'all. I can't say Vegas is not playing with these masks. Everything we do, we gotta have a mask on. They're not playing. Give me a kiss, baby. See, I put the mask right back up. Period.
Period, boo.
Period, poo. We're going to high roller. Some more high shit.
Yeah, I know how I like to live.
You said what?
Yeah, I know how we like to live.
Yeah, we like to live, what? Lavish?
I don't know. I don't
What's
know
the
about
word?
lavish. I
We just like to do fun things.
like to live. Blessed and highly favored. Blessed and highly favored, that's all I can say.
Yeah. If you know why he's so blessed and highly favored. Because if it weren't for God, he wouldn't even, we never know what he'll be at right now. I'm just gonna say that. So, and then for God to put him in my arms and lay down with me every night and love on me every night. My baby. We sweethearts forever. You ain't gonna know motherfucker, okay? No motherfucker. I wish you would. He'll be on Snap, fuck around me.
Oh, damn. She watched that shit all day long, too.
All day.
I be saying that.
He's gonna be on Snap.
He has like 4 songs.
So the proof is in the pudding, right there. Just
I
so
don't
y'all
care.
know.
You're gonna be on Snap. Come get me, cause he gonna be on Snap. No, I ain't that crazy, but I'm crazy. If you know, I'm crazy. Right, babe? You know I'm crazy.
She crazy, y'all. Combination lock on the lanyard, crazy.
You petty. He always gotta bring that up. That's how he know me.
Maskers.
They got a whole bar. Y'all see it. Hi, Roller.
Okay. 2. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We finna go up. Go up. We finna go up. Go.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. Me and baby having the latest time together. Even during the coronavirus pandemic, we still be having fun, y'all. Huh?
What are we doing? Okay. I don't know about that. I'm saying
Oh, we finna go on the Ferris wheel.
we're going up.
We go. Oh.
She started working. Y'all know what that means when we see that. We're gonna be in that same position, yeah?
Babe.
That same position, yeah? It's going down.
He's we walking through, baby.
We here.
Shout out to
We
baby.
here.
He spoiled me, y'all. I'm so spoiled.
Say what?
I said I'm so spoiled.
Yeah, you are spoiled. We gotta go to Pandora tomorrow. Too.
Do it again, babe.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Hit it. Hey.
500 something, what you say, 550 feet? 580 feet? Look at that, dog. I'm gonna go all the way up there. I'm gonna go all the way up there.
We so childish. Get it, babe. Hey. Oh. You got on that bitch too smooth. At this point, y'all, we lit. We drunk. And we finna get more litter. So just stay tuned for the more content that's gonna come this weekend. And it's only what, day 2? It's only day 2, right?
What's that Carlton out? No.
Let me see you do it.
No.
Let me see you do it, babe.
No.
So it's only day 2, right?
Yeah.
It's only day 2?
Carlton right now. Yeah, it's only day 2.
Damn, we been around this bitch. It's only day 2, y'all. And we not even done yet. Is we done, babe?
No, we ain't done.
Period.
We are not done.
We still got more content for y'all. Stay tuned.